Hey Tony, this is Micah from We Wash Windows. I just wanted to tell you that I really appreciate you letting me come down here to clean this store here on St. Andrews Road in Columbia. I just wanted to real quickly show what we're doing. We're using steam. It's probably about 200 degrees along with special detergents to clean the concrete. And I just want to show you just for a quick second the results that we're getting. So again, Tony, I really appreciate it. If there's anything else I can do for you, if we can put these stores on a schedule to keep them looking this clean, that's something I'd love to talk about. But again, thank you very much, and I hope you have a good day.